Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringar at 10. Today we are going to the technical do the technical answers for Whirlpool. Whirlpool is the ticker name and it's a very popular brand also. Uh, right now this is what you're watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart uh, of the Whirlpool. And these are all the technical indicators I deployed on the stock to do the technical answers, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding the data for analysis, we have data since 2010 onwards up to 2017 November 14th. Okay. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, this stock, I'm taking this as the origin, this point, because up to this point, I'm not saying, this stock has been on an inverse of negative super trend mode. So I'm taking this point as the origin. And September 2013 onward, this stock started moving in the upward direction, making consistently new highs. And there is a little bit sideways movement, but still. Uh, this is a new high 1, high 2, high 3, and right now the stock is under the consolidation phase. See, that is a pattern. That is a pattern that the stock has been following in previous moves also. After making a new high, it is going under consolidation mode, and here too it went under a consolidation, but this is like a sideway movement actually, more than a consolidation movement. This is a sideway movement. But here it is a consolidation, and this time again it broke into consolidation mode right now. Okay, let's see what other things that this stock, positive things this stock is having. Okay, if you look at the 2017, if you look at the 2017 performance, and in January 2017, this stock was trading at 895, and today this is trading at 1336, nearly 500. Okay, 400 rupees, nearly 400 rupees difference. 400 rupees profit per share this stock has given so far in this year, in the last 10 months. That's really good. That is the potential of the stock, and the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now on the influence of positive super trend mode, which is very good. If you look at the relative strength of the stock, it is a little bit weak and it is going down right now. If you look at the direction strength, that is also weak right now, going by the graph. And if you look at the stochastics, stochastics is okay. It is both lines are touching, brushing with the top line, trying to brush with the top line, and there is some sort of crossing over happening right now. It seems that at this moment the fast line is on top of the red line, but it looks like in the next few days the red line, that means the slow line, will cross the fast line, that means the black line. Looks like that. And volume is constantly increasing, and it is maintaining at a same level. Volume is getting maintained at the same level. I'm keeping the crosses here so that you can see this trend. And if you look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline. That's okay, but it is quite coming down. It is if you look at the tip, it is literally looking in the downward direction. So guiding points, thrown by the technical indicators are all quite negative at this moment, because I think the consolidation phase, this is what is this kind of points only we will come across. But it seems that the consolidation phase did not end right now. I mean, it's like, it is going to get extended further. I think 1336, from 1336 to maybe 1250, like that, the stock will come down. It looks like that. I mean, because the way the technical indicators are, the intensity what they are showing, it looks like the consolidation phase is not over, and it is going to extend for the next few days. And I am pretty sure that the stock will go below 1300 and will touch that 1250 level or whatever. And yeah, so it will take a few more days. So what happens, then we will see. So right now I'm not recommending anything regarding the stock. The stock cannot be considered for long-term investment at this moment. That is one thing. And second thing is, normally we can recommend, we can say that this is a good phase to buy this kind of popular stock. Anyway, this is bound to increase, that is there, bound to for price rise, that is also there. But the point is, right now the consolidation phase is going to get extended for a few more days. So 1336, if 1336 becomes 1250, then it is better to buy at 1250 rather than buying at 1336, right? So I want to give that benefit to my subscribers. So I will come back to the stock later after a few days, and then we redo the analysis, and then I will say, I mean, then I will make a few recommendations. So until then, this stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. Okay, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.